Hi friends, welcome back to Navin Studio. In today's session, we are going to see how to draw a simple cock picture for beginners. I hope this video will helpful for beginners. Thank you for watching. Let's go to video. First step, want to draw a circle, then little bit big size oval shape for body. So here and there you adjust and draw. Here, then body structure. So here and there you can adjust. So unwanted lines want to erase. So after erase the lines, here and there you can adjust and draw. Then beak, one triangle part, cow line. So bun you want to draw near the beak. Okay, so no need to overlay. Then circle for section, circle for eyes. Then from here so here one more part you want to draw. Follow him.